Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use two-step verification on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have your sites where you can check out your websites. We have the setup home. We have the, as you can see, design site in the bottom left corner and in the top right corner. And we have the dashboard where we are at the very moment now. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use two-step verification on Wix. So to enable two-step verification on Wix, you need to go to your account settings, which you can find in the top right corner of your screen on your profile picture. You have account settings and logout, click on account settings. Of course, your account settings will pop out. Then scroll down to two-step verification. Here it is. It is the third option. Then guys, click enable next to verify logins with an authenticator app. So you just need to go and enable that, which is here, as you can see. Then enter your Wix password in the pop-up, open your authenticator app, scan the QR code displayed in your browser with your authenticator app, or enter the code. Follow any additional steps in your authenticator app to add your account to it. Wix two-factor authentication is an additional layer of security which is a user prompted to provide two factors to gain access to the Wix account, and it is pretty useful. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.